Hey guys, it's David Wynn. Just want to give you guys a quick update on my experience with utilizing Commission Hero, Robbie Blatchard's course. Absorbed about 90% of the content. I'm gonna go through a full review again of going through the videos again. Learned a lot of ninja techniques. Learned a lot of things I haven't really tried. I'm in the digital marketing space. As a digital marketer, you do learn a lot of Facebook ad information, how to scale the business, how to manage profiles for people. But with Robbie, a lot of different tricks of the trade, a lot of different strategies you can utilize to really accelerate your affiliate game, like in affiliate marketing. And I only started a few days ago. There's been I did 2 different ad sets, 2 different products. I test trialed a new product. He recommends a 3 a.m. start time for ads, and I was able to get a sale within, when did the ads start? Anyways, it's still early. It's 1:40 right now p.m. So obviously something's working. I'm gonna analyze the data and kind of basically utilize the information that he teaches and then scale things up after looking at all the information. So this course does work. There's a ton of value, guys. You're not gonna make $1,000 a day overnight. It's gonna take time, but I will tell you that the content that you learn is amazing. People are doing very well in this course. Of course, there's going to be ups and downs with every business, but if you guys are looking for one of the best, actually people are saying it's the best, right? The best course for affiliate marketing. Robbie Blatchard is the best affiliate marketer on ClickBank. So if you want to learn from the best to become the best, I recommend getting Commission Hero. Get in or get out. Let's make it happen. If you guys have any questions about the content, definitely hit me up. Hit me up on the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help. But yeah, Commission Hero, guys, is a real program. Even just learning about pixel data and multiple sets and lookalike audiences at a high level, like learning some ninja stuff, guys. So get into Commission Hero. If you're hesitating, just make it happen. And if you need anything, let me know. And thanks for checking out my channel. It's David Wynn, August University. I'm always reviewing different programs, trying things out myself. I'm the guinea pig for you guys to give my recommendation. And if you need anything, like I said, give me a shout. Get in the program. Link below to get in. If you want to use my affiliate link, it does help me out a little bit. So that is appreciated, guys. And I'm here for support for you guys. But yeah, get your business going. It's 2020, plenty of time. Doesn't matter if you're 80 years old, 40 years old, I don't know, 15 years old, use your parents' credit card, I don't know. Actually, I don't recommend that. But anyways, it's never too early to get started on education and learning business, right? But yeah, get it, guys. Commission Hero. It's about $1,000, but it's gonna be well worth it when you're making millions, right? You get to that level, which I believe you can. I think we all can. If you believe, you can see, you can do. All right, guys. Before I crash my car, I'm gonna stop the video and click on the link. Get into Commission Hero. Let's go get it. See ya. And like, subscribe. See you in the next video.